Hi, today we are at Jeju, now driving towards don't know what Manjanggul cave or something. And halfway down the road we stopped by this noodle store and have some noodles. Anyway, very rarely I got a mumps, so hopefully few days will recover. We're now walking into the Manjanggul cave, which is a 7.4 meter long lava tube locally with a multi-level structure. It is one of the largest lava tubes in the world, having a main passage with its width up to 18 meters and a height of 23 meters. Numerous lava tubes were found worldwide, but Manjanggul lava tube is an outstanding example. So let's check it out. Cheers. Finally reached our destination. This is the Airbnb that we have booked. We're gonna stay tonight. See, it's Maggie and Thiago. Long drive, but the driving is damn slow because the speed limit is 50 and then 30 and maximum speed was 70 and most of the time was like 50, so it's very sleepy.